Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you Qmee. It's a survey website, and this is not going to be a huge. You're not going to become a millionaire off this. Let's just say that. But it's not bad to get some extra side money, or if you're too young to get a job, it's not bad. I did this for a couple months now, just whenever I'm bored or something. I'll just do like one survey, and I've made. You see on my history, $77. Not bad. So there's a couple different ways you can make money with Qmee. I focus on the surveys, not really. The quizzes are like, you don't make a lot with the quiz. It's like 3 cents maybe a quiz. And then rewards is just not a lot either, 90 cents on that. So the main thing with Qmee is survey. What I like about Qmee the most and why it's so ideal is you can cash out literally like 2 cents. There's no minimum withdrawal. You can just transfer it right to your PayPal account, or you can donate to charity, which I also like, or gift cards. So you can donate to charity, gift cards, or just cash it right to your PayPal account. So what you do is you just answer surveys. So some surveys are going to be 23 minutes, and you'll get paid $1.50, $1.71 for a 20-minute survey. Usually, the longer the survey is, the more you'll get paid for it, but that's not always the case. There's this one for 5 minutes here. You can click on it, and you'll see. Wow. Just click, go through. So let's say you don't drink any beer, clicking on the above, and you might get declined. So see, the survey was declined because they wanted people who drink beer to participate in that survey. So they're not going to pay you. You are going to get declined, but this is part of it. And then you can also get survey streaks. Right now, I don't have any active because I don't really do this too often. But it was because I have a job now. But it is really a good way to make some extra side money. So there's another way you can make money with this, and it is through the referral program. I'm going to leave this one in the link. So I keep 50 cents and you get 50 cents. And so when you sign up with my link in the description, you will get 50 cents as a starting bonus, and you can just transfer that to PayPal right away. So I will leave my link in the description below if you want to start using Qmee. There's an app for your mobile device as well, or you can just do it on the desktop as I am right now. But anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching. And I really recommend this website for any extra small side money.